In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your billing information on Squarespace. Whether you're a small business owner relying on Squarespace for your online presence or a creative individual managing your personal website, keeping your billing information up to date is crucial. So let's dive right in and get it done within just a few minutes. To kick things off, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. If you're already at your computer, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Squarespace homepage. Once there, enter your username and password and click the login button. If you're like most people, you probably have your credentials saved, so this step will only take a moment. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, look to your left for the main menu. In that menu, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Give it a click and we'll be well on our way. Once inside the settings area, the next step is to locate billing. You should see this option listed among others related to your account management. Click on Billing to move forward, and don't worry, you're almost halfway through. Inside the billing section, there will be another option available to you, that payment information. This is where all your financial details are stored. A single click on this option will take you to the page where you can edit your current payment methods. Now that you're in the payment information section, you'll see a list of your current methods of payment. To update any details, locate the specific payment method you wish to change. Once found, simply click on the Edit button adjacent to the method. This opens a new window where you can input your updated card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. If you're changing the card entirely, make sure all the new details are correct to avoid payment issues. After entering your updated information, it's crucial to save your changes. Locate and click the Save Payment Method button, usually found toward the bottom of your editing window. This ensures that any updates you've made are securely stored and will be used for future transactions. While you're on this page, it's also a good time to review or edit your billing address if necessary. Keeping this information current prevents billing errors and ensures any correspondences from Squarespace reach you without delay. And there you have it. Just by following these straightforward steps, you've successfully updated your billing information on Squarespace. Remember, making sure your info is current helps in maintaining a seamless service experience with Squarespace. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more insightful tips and guides.